Hi all friends. Welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you and tell you how you can delete subscribers in the TikTok app. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, in the bottom right corner, go to your profile. After that, go to the subscribers section. And next, to remove someone from your subscribers, you can, for example, just swipe to find the person. You'll see 3 dots in front of them, click on them, and then delete that subscriber. Then you confirm your actions. And so, as you can see, the subscriber will be deleted immediately. Or if you know specifically who you want to delete, you can just type into the search box what the subscriber's name is, like their username. Or alternatively, the second way. This is, let's say, if you're on the subscribers page. And then you can click on this arrow here. Then you can also find the section called Delete this subscriber. Also confirms the action. And so this person will be removed from your TikTok subscribers list. Friends, I really hope this video has helped you. You have seen how very easy it is for you to delete subscribers in TikTok app if you care about it. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.